Don't download Navexa app before watching this. If you're thinking about tracking your investments with Navexa, pause for a moment. Most people assume it's just another portfolio tracker, but the surprising truth is there are some hidden challenges you need to know about before committing. Navexa is an investment tracking app that promises to help investors monitor portfolios, calculate performance, and manage taxes. On paper, it sounds perfect. Consolidate multiple accounts, see your gains and losses, and stay organized. But there are a few key points most people overlook. First, data integration can be tricky. While Navexa supports many brokers and accounts, some users experience syncing issues, especially with less common investment platforms. This means you might have to manually input transactions, which can become time-consuming if you have multiple accounts. Second, pricing. Navexa offers both free and paid tiers. The free version is limited and doesn't include advanced tax reporting or portfolio analysis features. If you want full functionality, you'll need a subscription, which might surprise beginners expecting a fully free solution. Third, the learning curve. While the interface is clean, the advanced tools can be overwhelming. Beginners may struggle with portfolio analytics, XIR calculations, or multi-currency support. You might think it's simple, but the depth of the app requires some financial knowledge to get the most out of it. On the positive side, Navexa does offer powerful tools for serious investors. It can generate detailed performance reports, track dividends, and even calculate capital gains taxes. For those who are willing to learn and invest time in setup, it's an excellent tool for portfolio management. In conclusion, don't download Navexa expecting a completely effortless experience. It's best suited for investors who are ready to engage actively with their portfolios and possibly pay for premium features. By understanding its limitations in account integration, pricing, and complexity, you can decide if Navexa truly fits your investment needs without unpleasant surprises.